Une différence de temps. Discover. Télescope spatial.
Today,
Fenêtre sur l'univers.
100 years after general relativity is first presented,
Telescope's released. Okay, thank you.
Thank
new
you.
technology is allowing us to explore the most remarkable predictions of the theory.
La théorie.
An expanding universe,
Un univers en
black
expansion.
holes, ripples in
Ondulation.
space-time, and perhaps the most bizarre,
Oh,
the
bizarre.
idea that not just space, but time
Time.
itself is distorted by heavy objects.
Heavy, hein?
Okay, so
To prove it, a team of physicists is carrying out a remarkable
Eh ben.
experiment. They're using two atomic clocks
Two. Presque parfaitement synchronisé.
that are in near perfect sync,
Near.
accurate to a billionth
Well, 1/1000 de seconde.
of a second.
Mhm. Planck time.
The master clock
L'horloge principale. Master clock.
remains at sea level,
24, 25.
while they take the second clock to
deuxième
the top of New Hampshire's Mount Sunapee.
Mon son happy. Ape. App. Happy. No, I mean happy. Heureux.
General relativity tells us that as you move away from the mass of the planet,
Away.
time should speed up.
Time. Faster.
After 4 days at the top
4
of the mountain,
days.
the test clock is taken back to the lab for comparison.
Comparaison, hein?
There, they compare
Here.
it to the sea level master clock.
put that
Maîtresse.
one into channel A,
4
Canal
days
A.
ago, they were ticking in unison.
master clock in channel B.
1,
But
2,
what about
3.
now?
Now. Vous êtes prêts? C'est
You guys ready? This is it right here.
C'est
The
ici.
time interval.
Le compteur d'intervalle de temps va nous montrer.
Timer is going to show us the time
Oh oui.
and
La
the
différence
difference
d'horloge. Tic. Tac. Tic.
between these two clock ticks. 20.
20 nanosecondes. Voilà. Nous sommes aujourd'hui le 18 mars 2025. Il est 2h43 CET. Pendant ce temps, qu'est-ce qu'on a ici? Le launchpad. Nouvelle-Zélande. Boom. La Nouvelle-Zélande. Besoin
And if you're
d'introduction.
just joining us, you're looking at live tracking of the
Live tracking.
kick stage of Electron with
La
5
différence de temps,
satellites on board
Electron.
for the 5th mission for Kness, mission High
Cinquième
5.
mission.
With that, we are going to end up wrapping up our coverage today, as it is a busy
Sure.
day in spaceflight, as Crew 9 is preparing to undock from the International Space Station. That's right, Butch and Sunny finally get to come home. We are,
Wow.
of course, tracking all the operations at the ISS with our ISS 24/7 coverage.
Two,
So we're going to
two,
send you all over there,
2,
and we're going
3.
to follow along as undocking
Two,
is scheduled
four.
for 3 hours and 20 minutes. We've already been hearing them talk on station to ground
Oh,
comms
talk on
getting
stage,
ready
huh?
for that, and we'll have a full live coverage of undock,
Sure.
hatch closure, and everything in between. And we hope that you will join
Everything
us.
in
for that. But for
between.
See
now,
the time
from
difference
TNT
between them
Canada
represented
Studio.
here
My name's Zach,
graphically.
and we will see you
The
next
clock
time.
that was
Graphique.
up at the mountain for 4 days,
4 jours.
and our master clock.
Master clock.
Gravity. The distortion of space and time
Planète.
becomes weaker as you move away from the surface of the
Away.
planet. So while the test clock was up the mountain, time sped up.
Yeah.
It's now 20 nanoseconds, 20 billionths of a second
Yeah.
ahead
20 milliardièmes de seconde. En avant sur l'horloge du niveau de la mer.
of the sea level clock.
This is really awesome.
I'm with you on 2.
Nick, good news. The word was was
This
immaculate.
distortion of time
No CG
has
corrections are
surprising
required.
consequences. The global positioning system, something we all take for granted,
It's all thanks to the
wouldn't
expert
work
training
without
of Paul.
taking this into
Oh,
account.
yes.
The engineers
Copy.
who
We'll
built
make
the
sure Paul
GPS
knows.
system we use every
Thank
day
you,
to
Paul.
pinpoint location.
101. Us 101. And with that, I will let you start again.
Had to ensure it adjusted for the time difference between clocks on satellites and receivers on the ground. If they didn't, GPS would be off by 6 miles every day.
Your GPS units
Gates.
use the results of general relativity.
Yes.
When you navigate in your car,
In your
you
car.
perhaps should give a word of thanks to Uncle Albert.
Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye.